Hey fans, Keel the Lion here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a Lion King short in a movie that I found cute, because it's told by babies or kittens, whatever. So let's get right into it.
I'm Mufasa.
Is mine?
No, he's mine. You can has later.
I want to go over there.
No, that's the bad place.
Oh, but I wanna. Nala, bad place. Bad place? Bad place. Yay!
Shoot, go away. You in big trouble.
I'm sorry, Dad. Oh, pretty.
I want to be the king. Hey, Simba, come look at this.
Huh? Ah! I'll get a quiz.
I helped. Uh-oh, I know help. Help me!
No.
I died. Bleh.
Oh, look at Timon. It's a scary.
Hey, jeez! Me no like the scary! Go away, scary!
I'm not a scary.
Oh, okay.
I'm all grown up. Simba, Skull is a mean. You has to come home. No. Yes. No. Yes.
Ooh, I is a ghost. I say yes.
Okay, yes. You is a big meanie. I the king.
I has a hyena army! I will defeat you! Ow! Hyena, help me!
Nope. We don't like you anymore. Hooray! I is king. And now I make sequels and prequels and a TV show and a Broadway play and CGI.
That was it. Bye fans.